I don't know if you can hear it in my voice, but I can feel it in my voice. I'm sick. I'm out on the road. We just flew about a week ago from Vegas to Seoul, South Korea. It was a 15-hour flight. And I think that's what did it. Going on tour, long flights, airports, playing shows in different time zones, and then getting sick. All par for the course, being on the road. It will not stop me from having a good show tonight, though. I'm going to start the show off with a Ukrainian punk rock band called Cardinal Birds. I was just sent this song recently, along with a message stating that they wrote this song called Ukraine Matters because they feel like the international community is forgetting about the Ukraine war. I hope that's not the case. I told them I'd play the song for you. So here it is. Cardinal Birds with their song, Ukraine Matters, on 94.9 The Rock. On The Rock, there is Ukraine Matters by the band Cardinal Birds from the Ukraine. I'm Cone from Sum-41. This is Cone's Cave. I wanted to play that for you because the Cardinal Birds guy sent me that with a very heartfelt message stating that they hope the international community has not forgotten about the war in the Ukraine, and they hope that the governments around the world have not forgotten about it.